Are you ready to earn free cash, travel rewards, and exclusive perks just by swiping the right credit card? In this video, I'll reveal the 9 best credit card bonuses you can grab this October. These deals are limited, so don't miss out. Opening scene, upbeat music plays, visuals of credit cards, travel destinations, and shopping sprees. Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we help you make smarter financial decisions. Today, we're diving into the 9 best credit card bonuses for October 2024. Whether you're looking to save on travel, stack up cashback, or score incredible sign-up rewards, I've got you covered. Let's get started. On-screen visuals of credit card offers and animated text. For those new to this, credit card bonuses are rewards that issuers offer to attract new customers. These bonuses can include cashback, points, miles, or even statement credits. All you need to do is meet a specific spending requirement within a certain time frame. But remember, not all bonuses are created equal, and that's why I've done the research to find the best ones for you this month. Segment 2. The top 9 credit card bonuses, split into mini segments for each card, showcasing the card visually with its key benefits. Card name 1. Sign-up bonus. Earn 100,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. Why it's great. Perfect for travel lovers. These points can be worth up to $1,250 when redeemed for flights or hotels. Card name 2. Sign-up bonus. $300 cashback after spending $3,000 in 3 months. Why it's great. No annual fee. Ideal for those who prefer cashback rewards over points. Card name 3. Sign-up bonus. Get 80,000 miles after spending $5,000 in 3 months. Why it's great. Fantastic for frequent flyers with airline partnerships for international travel. Card name 4. Sign-up bonus. Earn $500 in statement credits after spending $4,000 in 3 months. Why it's great. A straightforward bonus with flexible redemption options. Card name 5. Sign-up bonus. 120,000 hotel points after $3,500 spent in 3 months. Why it's great. Turn your next vacation into a luxury stay at no cost. Card name 6. Sign-up bonus. 75,000 points after $2,500 in 3 months. Why it's great. Low spending requirement for a high reward. Card name 7. Sign-up bonus. Earn 5x points on dining for the first 3 months plus 50,000 bonus points. Why it's great. A foodie's dream. Earn more while enjoying your favorite meals. Card name 8. Sign-up bonus. $200 in travel credits after spending $2,000 in 3 months. Why it's great. Exclusive for travelers seeking flexibility and savings. Card name 9. Sign-up bonus. Double your cash back for the first year. No spending cap. Why it's great. Excellent for big spenders looking for long-term rewards. Segment 3. How to choose the right bonus. On-screen visuals of a checklist and comparison charts. Now, you're probably wondering which of these cards is best for you. Here's a quick checklist. Spending habits. Look for a bonus you can comfortably achieve without overspending. Rewards preferences. Are you more into travel points or cashback? Annual fees. Make sure the rewards outweigh the fee. Long-term perks. Some cards offer ongoing rewards or perks beyond the bonus. Segment 4. Tips to maximize bonuses. Engaging visuals with icons and text tips. Use the card for all your everyday expenses, like groceries, gas, and bills to hit the spending requirement. Avoid carrying a balance to sidestep interest charges. Take note of the deadline to earn the bonus, typically within 3 months. Conclusion. Show a montage of all the cards with upbeat music. There you have it, the 9 best credit card bonuses for October 2024. Whether you're looking to travel the world, save on daily expenses, or stack up rewards, these cards can help you achieve your goals. Which card are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on money saving tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.